It's Sunday, January 19th, looking at the Astro Excel sheet for the week ahead. We were running up through Friday into the weekend. We're up above the plus 29 now. And we're starting to move back down as we get into the evenings open Sunday night. We're still about the plus 15, plus 18 area, and we're gradually going to move down and then track pretty much sideways the rest of Monday and Tuesday above the plus 10 line. So we're still in positive territory, although we're pushing down. We're going to bottom here on Thursday, the 23rd, just below the zero line at -4, and then we're sideways through Friday right at the zero line. So we're relatively neutral. The last 2 days of the week, the first 3 days of the week, we're in plus territory, but gradually moving back down out of there. The blue line peaks, we've got a big spike here Monday morning right at midnight. We've got a spike to the downside at 11 a.m. We've got a big spike on Tuesday that goes all the way down to the -20 line at 1500. So that could be an important point to watch in time. Another spike Wednesday at 1400. This one's kind of out of active hours. Then we get into Thursday. We've got a 7 a.m. spike at plus 14 area. We've got a more minor spike here at 2100 in the downtime, and then the only important spike of note again on Friday at 1500. We've got this spike low. So that's what we're looking at for Astro Excel for the week ahead from the 20th to the 24th.